Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ayan Canillas from Negros Occidental. Ginawa ko po ulit yung video na to kasi I just want to present a good video, good presentation para po maintindihan ng lahat na gustong sumali dito sa Planet Mobile. So that's why ginawa ko po itong slide ng business awareness presentation so that yung mga gustong sumali sa Planet Mobile na hindi maka-attend ng mga actual na BAP, kahit manood lang kayo dito sa YouTube, dito sa video na ginawa ko, maintindihan niyo po lahat. So ngayon, allow me to present to you a business awareness presentation. If you are a business minded, dito na po kayo sa Planet Mobile. If you are a networker, mayroon na kayong mga grupo dyan at gusto nyo magkaroon ng sariling negosyo, gusto nyo itong develop, gusto nyo i-focus yung negosyo na to, this is your time. Ito na po yung panahon na kung saan gawin na nating seryoso yung negosyo natin. Alright? So ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo yung anong mga importanteng bagay or yung mga basic needs natin. What are basic needs? Number 1 is food, clothing, shelter, and of course, telecommunication and technology. Noong unang panahon, basta may pagkain ka na, may damit ka na, babahay, okay na. Kompleto ng lahat. Pero ngayon, kung wala kang TV, wala kang computer, wala kang cellphone, so kulang talaga. Kahit yung cellphone mo, naiwan mo sa bahay mo, kahit nandun ka na sa opisina mo, kailangan mong kunin yung cellphones mo. Kasi, importante yan. Basic needs mo na yan. Yung cellphones at yung mga gadget ngayon. Technology, communication, that is very important in our generation. Natawag sa atin, we are consumers or subscriber. Bumibili tayo sa supermarket and stores at saka sa telco companies just like in Globe, Smart, Sun, Talk and Text, TM or Globe. Diba? Tayo ay bumibili, we purchase. Tanong, did we earn? Kumita ba tayo? Did we have discount? Nagkaroon ba tayo ng mga discount? Kunti lang. Did we have the opportunity to do business with them? Actually, absolutely none of the above. What if we can provide all of the above? Will you be interested? Dito lang yan sa Planet Mobile. What are product? Is it herbal in food supplements? No. Is it beauty and slimming products? No. Is it insurance and other investment scheme? No. Our product line are telco products and technology. Yung telco products ay yung company na kinukuhaan ng source ng Smart, Globe, Sun, TM, Talk and Text. Yun, ang tawag doon is telco company or telco products and technology. We have also prepaid window machine. Uso na ngayon kahit saan ka pupunta. Gusto mong uminom ng tubig, kahit saan, pwede ka magkapi, di ba? And also we have electronic money remittance. Automobile. Also bumibinta din tayo ng mga sasakyan. Consumer products, food and beverages, and more to come. Every year, taon-taon may bago tayong company na nag-partner sa atin. Remember, yung company na nag-partner sa atin, hindi tayo ang lumapit sa kanila. ang mga company na yun, sila ang lumapit sa atin dito sa Planet Mobile. Now, if you have a choice to choose the right stream of income, which source of income will you choose? Isang tanong ko lang sa inyo. Are you employed? Or OFW ka ba? Estudyante? Or walang trabaho? Ngayon, if you're employed, tingnan mo. Employment. Pinag-aralan mo yan how many years? From elementary hanggang college. Yun ang trabahuin mo. Diba? Employment. Okay naman kapag may trabaho ka. Pero hanggang kailan ka maging empleyado? Mas maganda kahit nasa public ka, you're public teacher, or nasa city hall ka, or sa public employment is very good. But actually dito sa atin, kulang pa rin ang sahod natin. Yung income natin every month, kulang. Sa totoo lang po, tayo mga Pilipino, kahit may trabaho tayo, malaki yung sahod natin, puno naman tayo sa utang. Yung sahod natin, makukuha natin every month, kunti na lang kasi maraming deduction, hindi ba? How about business? Nako, kahit sino gusto maging businessman. Kahit sino, kahit bata, gusto magnegosyo. Ako, nung maliit pa lang ako, naging negosyante na ako. Lumaki akong mahirap, pero natuto akong magnegosyo. Pero anong nangyari? Dahil sa kahirapan, nag-apply ako ng trabaho. Pero actually, kahit sa employment, kahit sa trabaho ko hanggang ngayon, almost 12 years akong nagtatrabaho. Walang savings. May savings ka man, but kung maubusan ka ng budget, nako, maubos pa rin yung savings mo. But if you have business, actually, kahit sino ngayon, mga businessman, maraming taong yumaman dahil sa negosyo. At wala kang makikita ang mga empleyado na yumaman, hindi ba? No. Employee, you have a job. Nakikita nyo dyan, ito. You're just a robot. Kahit pagod ka na, kailangan mong trabaho dahil magalit si boss kapag hindi mo tinatapos yung trabaho mo, hindi ba? If you're a doctor, if you're self-employed, you own a job. But kung wala kang pasyente sa yung clinic, wala ka namang income, hindi ba? So, dito, business owner, kita nyo, McDonald, you own a system and people work for you. Investor, if you have a business, you can invest. If you have a million, invest. Money works for you. But sa ngayon, dito muna tayo. You are a business owner. You own a system and let the people work for you. If pinili mo yan, gusto mo maging business owner, be a mobilepreneur. Ngayon, consumer products distribution comparison. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang traditional distribution versus Planet Mobile Consumer Empowerment Program. Bakit empowerment? Planet Mobile, we empower people. We educate people how to become practical and wise sa paggastos ng mga pera nila. Tayo ay gumagamit ng lahat ng mga produkto. Yan, in traditional distribution, lahat ng mga produkto ay galing sa factory, hindi ba? And then, punta yan kay wholesaler. Si factory ay hahanap siya ng wholesaler, investor na maging wholesaler. Pupunta kay middleman or ahinti, and then pupunta kay supermarket. How about tayo? Saan tayo? We are a customer. So, ngayon makita mo from wholesaler, middleman to supermarket, mayroong mga operational monthly expense, space, rental, salary and wages, utility bills, advertisement cost, and other expenses. Ngayon, ang presyo ng produkto from factory is 100 pesos, for example. Papatong yan. Papunta sa atin, naging 300 to 500. Bakit? Galing sa factory to wholesaler, may percentage, diba? Wholesaler, middleman, supermarket, before sa atin. Kaya, yung 100 pesos naging 300 to 500, naging 300% yung presyo pagdating sa atin. But in Planet Mobile Consumer Empowerment Program, from factory goes to Planet Mobile Business Club. And then, punta sa atin, you are a mobilepreneur, you as a customer. No personal monthly expense. Alam niyo na yan. The company. Ano po ang company? Saan nagsimula ang company? The name of company is Planet Mobile Technologies or Planet Mobile Business Club. It is a division of Planet Biz International Incorporated with Security and Exchange Commission. SIC number. Ito po, makikita nyo sa screen. Ito po yung SIC number. Okay. Yung management team natin, si Sir Noel F. Velasquez. Actually, isa siyang registered nurse. And he is a president and CEO and chairman ng Planet Mobile. At yung asawa niya po, si Ma'am Janet Velasquez. She is a chief finance officer. At meron silang dalawang executive. Parker Ong, he is a chief operation officer. And si Sir John Rian Santos, he is a Chief Information Officer. The product. Anong mga produkto natin? Globe Telco Products. Alam niyo na yan kung ano kalaki yung Globe. We have also Globe Prepaid e-loading business using Globe Gateway. Of course, yung gamit natin is PowerPay, yung GCash. Yung GCash is electronic money, a mobile service that turns your cell phones into an electronic wallet. Ito yung gabay mo na maging ATM. No? You can buy, load, pay bills, send money, and pay for shopping. It is also the official electronic cash wallet of Planet Mobile. Yung income mo na papasok sa yung network, dito mo, i-withdraw mo lang kahit saang mga ATM machine, kahit saang lugar. At magagamit mo rin ito, mayroon kang SIM card ng Globe, powered by PowerPay. You can load to all network. Pwede ka mag-load sa Smart, Sun, Talk and Text, Read Mobile, Globe, TM. Sa isang SIM lang gagamitin mo. Hindi na kailangan na dalawang cellphone or dalawang SIM para mag-negosyo ka ng e-loading, diba? Dito, sa isang SIM na lang, PowerPay. And you can earn 10% discount. You can invite, buy, load, send money. Of course, you earn. Automobile partner. We have Hyundai. New thinking, new possibilities. Tucson. Ito yung mga sample mga sasakyan na binibinta natin. Sonata and Santa Fe. We have also consumer product, beverage category. Non-carbonated drinks or carbonated drinks. Pepsi products. We have Mountain Dew, Pepsi, 7-Up, Mirinda, Max. Ito, lahat na ito. And anyway, before I forget, yung Planet Mobile, yung sa atin, hindi tayo dealer ng mga breakable na mga cans or breakable na mga bottles, kundi yung sa atin lang is plastic and then yung mga cans. Yun. Pepsi, the first in network marketing industry that joined in Planet Mobile. We have new Mirinda Fun Mix, produkto yan ng Pepsi. Supermarket price, makikita natin sa supermarket, yung tang 8 o'clock, yung tang is 9 pesos per sachet. Yung 8 o'clock naman is 8.75 per sachet. Wala kang points na ma-earns, no points value, walang rebates. But in Mirinda, merong rebate, 8.50 lang per sachet. In Mobilepreneur price, 8.50 per sachet with points value in rebates. 15 points, 15 cents sachet, every sachet yon for monthly Unilevel income. Ibig sabihin nun, may papasok sa yung ATM if you purchase Mirinda dito sa Planet Mobile. And next is the number 1 coffee brand in the Philippines, of course, Kopiko. We have a product of Kopiko, Energin, Copicino, Bing Bing, and Fresh. We have also Kopiko Candy, the first in network marketing industry. We have new product, the wait is over, Kopiko Window Machine. Nag-launch ito noong March 10, 2014. Yan, dito po sa Planet Mobile. Available na po yan. We have healthy cooking oil in network marketing. The first in network marketing. Bibenta din tayo ng Bimoli. And now, Unilever. Good news po. Available na po yung Unilever products nationwide. We have 160 million times a day. Okay? Gumagamit ng mga produkto ng Unilever. Ano bang mga produkto ng Unilever? Surf, yung home care, Breeze, and then food, we have Knorr, maraming produkto ang Knorr. Personal care, we have also Rexona, Pond's, Dove, Vaseline, Black and White, Cream Sock, and Close Up. Ito yung mga produkto natin. Yun. Unilever products now available in Planet Mobile. More products to come this 2014. Marami po tayong good news, kaya wag nyong itigil yung pag-antabay po sa ating mga presentation dito kasi maraming updated po pumapasok. Maraming company pa na gustong pumasok sa atin. Kaya lang pinipili ng ating president kung saan yung mas maganda yung marketing at saka yung maganda yung benepisyo para sa atin, mga mobilepreneur. If you're a business owner, okay? So, sino bang mga market ng telco products? Of course, lahat tayo. Everybody. Target market for Pepsi. Yun. Everybody. Target market for Kopiko. Of course, everybody. Yes. Target ng Bimoli. Next. Business plan. So, ngayon ang tanong, paano ba sumali dito sa Planet Mobile? Ano bang gagawin ko? Mobilepreneur package. So, baka mabigla kayo. Ilang networking na ba ang sinalihan nyo? Siguro, sa ngayon, I don't want to mention any network company. Actually, marami na akong network na sinalihan. Maganda. Kaya lang, mas mura ito. Compare yung iba, malaki yung puhunan. Dito sa Planet Mobile, hindi mo kailangan mo talagang mag-invest ng malaki. Kasi yung binabayaran natin dito sa Planet Mobile, yung package natin, Actually, walang produkto ito. Kaya hindi tulad ng iba na may ROI sila na pag-register mo, mababawi mo talaga yung registration mo kasi bigyan kanila ng mga produkto. But honestly, dito sa Planet Mobile, walang produkto na kasama. Okay? Anong laman ito? You have authorized mobile printer tarpaulin, plastic mobile ID with holocode security, and application form. And you have also accidental insurance package worth 50,000 for 1 year from Mapri Insular. Yung sa Globe GCash naman, mayroong insurance din yan. GCash PowerPay plus card with life and accidental insurance worth 50,000. Ito yung ATM na matatanggap mo, ito yung gagamitin mo. Actually ngayon, yung bago nating ATM, hindi na PowerPay yung nilagay dito, kundi Planet Mobile Business Club na yung pangalan, at saka dito yung pangalan mo. High-tech na yun. Yung personal discounts on Globe, prepaid, Pepsi, Copico, and Bimoli, and also in Unilever. You have also fully e-commerce personal virtual office. Bibigyan namin kayo ng password or PIN, yung code na gagamitin mo para makapasok ka sa website natin. Makalagin ka doon, at kapag ma-open mo na yon, makikita mo yung account mo, makikita mo yung kung ilan na yung network na pumapasok sa'yo, ilang downline na yung pumasok sa'yo, at saka ilan na yung income mo every week or every month. Yun makikita mo. And you have also 1 pack of Copico product, free yan. Then 15 pieces of mobile consumer privilege cards or MCPC. Ito yung itsura niya. Ang gagawin nito is ibinta mo ito ng 1,000 pesos. Sino bang pwedeng bumili nito ng privilege card? Kaya ang pwede lang is yung mga non-members ng Planet Mobile. Kung sinong gusto na magkaroon lang ng discount, maka-save ng kanilang grocery, gusto nilang bumili sa Planet Mobile, mga produkto, meron lang silang discount. Explain ko mamaya. Franchise business, wholesale distributorship of Pepsi, Copico, in Bimoli, and also in Unilever. Car dealership business from Hyundai. A-loading and A-money remittance business from Globe. And more to come. Marami pang surprise, marami pa pong company na darating po. So, for only 3,735 yung registration natin. So, tanong ko sa inyo ngayon, malaki ba o maliit lang? Kung meron kang 10,000 ngayon, saan ba pupunta yung 10,000 mo? Ano karami yung ma-invest mo? So, isave mo na lang yung 6,000. Yung 3,735 naman is i-invest mo dito sa Planet Mobile. Actually, walang mawawala sa'yo. Kasi yung registration natin dito is one time lang po. And also, not only for one time lang, but also a lifetime membership or franchise owner ka ng negosyo dito sa Planet Mobile. Ito po yung 3,735 yung registration natin. So ngayon, if you're interested, paano ba ako babayad ng 3,775? So, meron akong ibigay na contact number mamaya. So, kunin niyo yung contact number. At if you are willing to pay or to sign up, tawagan nyo lang ako. At saka, pwede naman doon sa ano natin, for example, sa Facebook, may isend ako sa inyo, or may isend ako sa inyo na bank account ng BDO and bank name, account name ng Planet Mobile. Bigay ko yun sa inyo. And then, i-deposit nyo yan yung 3,735 sa BDO, and then tumawag kayo sa akin na kung na-deposit nyo na, at gawin nyo yung deposit slip na yon, i-scan nyo at saka i-send sa email ad ng Planet Mobile. At saka after 3 days or after 4 days, papadala ko na makukuha mo na yung kit mo. At saka yung password at PIN, lahat-lahat. Remember, yung 3,735, walang produkto pa yon, honestly. Okay? Kasi ayaw kong ma-discourage kayo na baka sabihin nyo, ay bakit walang produkto? So, dito, yung franchising fee natin. For example, gusto mo mag-franchise ng Pepsi or Copico. Hingian ka ng 1 million or 5 million. Meron ka ba? Dito sa Planet Mobile, hindi na kailangan yung milyon para maging franchise dealer ka. For only 3,735, you are a franchise dealer ng Pepsi, Copico, Globe at Bimoli at ng Hyundai. Kaya ano pang hinintay nyo? Sali na dito sa Planet Mobile. Walang mawawala sa iyo. If you have 4,000 today, tumawag na kayo sa akin. Hindi para sa akin yung 3,000, kundi para sa iyo. Lahat na yan, investment mo yun para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. Next, let's justify your 3,735 investment. Saan pupunta yung 3,735? Yung PVO cost $5 yun per month times 12 months is equivalent of $60 per month or 2,640. Yung discount voucher worth 2,000. 15 MCPC times 250. Right, times 15. Yung makukuha ka na 3,735. Total of 8,390. Yung actually yung presyo na nakuha mo sa kit natin. Worth 8,390. But yung binayaran mo is only 3,735 lang. You can get as much as 200% of your 3,735 investment. Ito yung itsura ng Mobile Consumer Privilege Card. For example, meron kang kilala na gustong maka-discount, gusto siyang kukuha, bibili ng Mobile Consumer Privilege Card. Every purchase. So, kung magbayad siya ng 1,000, meron siyang ID. Ito yung ID. Merong consumer name sa kanya yan, at saka yung signature. Yung sponsor name naman is sa'yo yan. Ikaw yung bumintay kasi ikaw yung may-ari ng account, ikaw ang member ng Planet Mobile. So, sponsor pin sa'yo, at saka yung authorized signature sa'yo din to. Bakit? Every purchase ng member dito, ng may-ari ng ID na to, sa yung account yan papasok yung points. Lahat ng points at saka rebate sa'yo papasok yan. Ito yung mukha sa likod ng ID. Merong contact number, address. So remember, this card is only valid for 12 months upon activation, good for 1 year. And then meron ka ding discount voucher kapag yung meron kang kilala na bibili ng Copico vending machine. So pakita mo lang yung discount voucher 2,000. Yung 2,000 pupunta sa iyo yan, makukuha mo agad yung 2,000. So meron yang control and date issue. Mobile Consumer Privilege Card, meron ding control. What inside the Mobile Consumer Privilege Card? Anong laman ito? Worth 900 pesos of consumer products. Mix na yan. 1 GCash PowerPay. Meron ka ng GCash worth 200. 2 packs of Bimoli 250 ml. 1 pack of Energin. 1 pack Merinda Fun Mix, 1 pack of Kopiko Astig, 1 pack of Kopiko Brown, 1 pack of Cappuccino, 9 cans of Pepsi, 1 pack of Kopiko Mini Coffee Candy, 2 bottles of Tropicana Orange. Yun ang laman ng 900. Yung binili niyang 1,000. Remember, bakit 100 lang? 900. Kasi yung 100 pupunta sa ID niya. Anyway, next niya kapag bumili siya ulit, any amounts, kahit 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 na gusto niyang ibilhin. Kasi member na siya ng MCPC, kung nagkaroon na siyang MCPC. Discounted na yung lahat ng mga produkto. So, worth 902. 1 year discount on Planet Mobile Technology Consumer Products. How to get your ROI or ROI. Each MCPC has 250 profit times 15, 250, meron kang 3,750. How to activate MCPC. MP will bring the MCPC to PMT customer service and pay 1,000 pesos cash to get the MCPC ID and the consumer package and enjoy 1 year discount. Ito yung sample ng tarpaulin poster. Yan. Dito, lagyan mo ng contact number. At siguraduhin mo kapag mag-display ka ng tarpaulin sa bahay mo, siguraduhin mo na available ang mga produkto nito. Okay. Yung Kopiko vending machine, pwede namang mag-order. Made to order yan. Pag-order, so i-deliver lang yan. Depende sa area. And here in Planet Mobile, we have 8 ways to earn. First, direct sales and client referral commission, weekly direct referral bonus, weekly matching bonus, automatic crediting bonus, royalty income bonus, monthly unilevel bonus, lifestyle incentive program, inheritance income bonus. Only in Planet Mobile, unique features, complan. So, hindi ito tulad ng ibang company. Hindi mo ito makikita sa ibang company. First, in direct sales and client referral commission, for example, loading. You can earn 9 to 10% discount on Globe prepaid using GCash PowerPay. Every load to all Globe or TM, you can earn 9% to 10%. For example, if you sell worth 1,000 each day or every day, 1,000 times 30 days, you can earn 30,000 times 10%. Meron kang 3,000. Yung 3,000 na yun is your earning every month. Discount profits on all pet bottle, Pepsi, Kopiko, Bimuli cooking oil, and Merinda power juice. Pepsi 1.5 liter, for example, sa supermarket is 44 to 45 yung presyo. Dito sa atin is only 40.21 or 41 pesos. And you have also referral commission for Hyundai Motors. Kapag mayroon ka mga kilala na bibili yung mga sasakyan sa Hyundai, refer mo lang, meron kang commission. Referral commission for Hyundai Motors formula, for example, unit is RP times percent of down payment amount to be financed by banks times 7.7% mobile payment commission. Sample computation. For example, yung presyo ng Hyundai Accent 1.4 million or 1.4 MT, ang price niya is 648,000 times 20%, yung down payment niya is 129,600. Yung is 648,000 less 129, 500,000 amount to finance by banks. So meaning, doon kukunin yung 0.7%, you earn 3,633 to mobile payment commission. Santa Fe. 2.2L VGT. Yung presyo niya is 1,768,000 times 20% yung sample ng computation. Yan, times 0.7%. Your commission is 7,425. Makukuha mo yan. Then, weekly endorsement bonus. So, every referral, kapag may na-refer ka na sumali dito sa Planet Mobile, you can earn 500 pesos pupunta sa'yo. Example, ikaw, from Cebu, meron kang kilala sa Zamboanga, sa Bohol, Cagayan de Oro, Davao, Dapitan, Iloilo, Palawan, Leyte. So, kahit saang lugar, meron kang kilala, kahit nasa abroad. So, kapag sasali sila, pag magpa-register sila, meron kang 500 each person na makukuha mo sa kanila yung weekly endorsement bonus natin. Papasok sa iyo lahat. Weekly matching bonus, 500 every pairing. Example, meron kang team dito sa left side mo at saka sa right side, yung team B, binary ito. Week 1, meron kang napasok na isa, yung team B meron. So, meron kang isang pair. You can earn 500 pesos. And then, week 2, nagkaroon yung team A mo, umanap siya ng dalawa, nag-register, at saka yung team B mo, umanap din ng dalawa, nag-register, meron kang dalawang pair. So, you can earn 1,000 pesos. So, week 3, yung dalawa nag-recruit, yung naging 4. So, yung team B, ganun din. Magkano na lahat? 4. You can earn 2,000 pesos. Week 4, 8 na yung 4, kumuha pa ng tig-2 sa kanila. Naging 8. Same din, yung team B naging 15. So, magkano na yung kikitain mo? 8 pairs na yan. So, you can earn 4,000 pesos. Oh, malaki na, diba? So, kung bilangin natin, yung 7th pairs will be carried over to the next week. Okay. Maximum matching bonus. Pwede mo lang kikitain every week is 100,000 with 50% strong leg retention features. No 5th pairs. Always cash. Unique feature here in Planet Mobile. Note, binary maintenance every first week of the month worth 204 Mirinda Fun Mix. So kung gusto mong kumuha ng one account, ito lang, isa, is worth 3,735. Kailangan mo lang mag-recruit ng dalawa. Kuha ka ng dalawa. Maximum matching bonus per week is 100,000. Times 4 weeks, sa isang buwan, you can earn 400,000 per month. But, kung 3 account naman yung kukunin mo, worth 11,205. So, kapag 3 accounts, maximum bonus is 300,000 times 4 weeks, you can earn 1,200,000 pesos per month ang pwede mo kikitain. Kapag 7 accounts naman, 7 head, yung registration is 26,145. Maximum matching bonus per week is 700,000. Times 4 weeks, you can earn 2,800,000 per month. Good, very good features ng Planet Mobile. We have automatic crediting bonus. First week, for example, nagkaroon ka ng 100 BC carryover. So, walang pair. Yung sa kabila, sa kabila, meron ka ng 100. But dito, wala kang carryover. So, in second week, nagkaroon ng 20 sets of entry from mobile BizBox. So, for example, mayroon kang kilala dito na nag-stocky siya, meron siyang 20 sets of entry. So, meron ng 20 pairs. Meron kang 10,000 pesos. Pag gusto mong mag-invest na stockist, meron kang 20 sets na entry. Then, second week, nagkaroon ka ng 80 BC carryover. So, next is waiting to be paired. So, hintayin mo na lang na mag-paired yan. Number 5 is royalty income bonus. Mobile stockist. So, if you want to have a mobile stockist, 20 sets of 3,735 is 74,700 times 2%, may babalik sa'yo na 1,494. Then, for example, meron kang na-recruit, nagkaroon siya ng stockist. So, ang pwede mong kikitain sa kanya is 1,494. So, yung stockist is only 74,700. Pero kung gusto mo with products, meron ka ng mga produkto is worth 100,000. So, 74,700 yung sa 20 kit, at meron kang produkto yung sa 100,000, meron ka ng produkto. Territorial stockist, 350,000 times 3%, you can earn 10,500. And if 500,000 times 3%, 15,000. 1 million yung ina-invest niya, meron kang 3%, meron kang 30,000 papasok sa yung GCash or ATM. Yun. Ang mas maganda dito sa stockist kasi lahat ng mga produkto ay nauubos, hindi ba? Every repeat purchase ng mga produkto na in-order nila or in-purchase nila sa Planet Mobile, you have 3% of their purchase ng mga produkto. International stockist or country manager is 5 million times 3%. So, if you are a leader, if you are applying, you can earn 150,000. Take note, the referrer will get royalty income every time the stockist reinvested his inventory. Kapag naubos yung mga produkto niya, kapag mag-purchase naman siya, you will get a royalty income. So, 150,000. Unique feature. Monthly Unilever consumer products from Pepsi products or Copico, NB Muli or Unilever. Every month po, mayroong papasok sa atin. Every downline mo na nag-purchase ng mga produkto. Ito, lahat ng mga produkto na ito, meron kang kikitain every month. Each of these products has a corresponding points value. For example, monthly Unilever bonus for Mirinda juice. In first level, meron kang every pack ng Mirinda, meron kang 15 cents. Times 10, meron kang 10 downline na bumili ng Mirinda. So, magkaroon ka ng 150. Okay? Hanggang sa 5th level. For example, yung 5th level times 0.15 cents. So, meron kang 10,000 downlines. After 5 years or after 4 years, meron ka ng 100,000 downlines. So, you can earn 15,000 pesos every month. Monthly Unilever income will be based on all purchases of all consumer product from your network organization. No personal purchase, no Unilever income. We also base our computation on the points value to all consumer products. So you can earn 16,667 per day times 2 sachet per day. For example, 2 sachet per day. So you can earn 33,334 per day. Malaki na nun. Times 30 days, you can earn 1,020,000 pesos per month. Dynamic completion. features. And also in Copico, ganito ang pwede mong kikitain. Projected combined unilever income. Yan. For example, may income ka dito sa Merinda plus yung sa Copico. So you can earn 2,395,561 pesos every month. Monthly maintenance for Unilevel income. Ito yung requirements natin para magkaroon ka ng Unilevel income. You only need to purchase worth 1,200 of all products of Pepsi, Copico, Energen, Bimoli, and Unilever. What if over a year from now, you were able to build 5,000 downlines who will drink just one day? 5,000 total up to 5th level from your Unilever times 0.15. So your income is 750 per day. What if they consume 3 sachet per day? Mag-consume sila ng merienda, ng umaga, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So 750 per day times 3 per sachet. So you can earn 2,250 per day. So saan mo pa yan hanapin? Times 30 days. So per month, 67,000. Worst scenario for busy people versus employee. In first month, sumali ka. Compare dito sa mga empleyado. So, mayroon kang recruit, 2. You earn 500. Dito, if you're employee, your salary every month is 12,000. In second month, karoon ka ng 2, another 2. 4, you earn 1,000. Yung employee, 12,000. 4, yun. Tingnan natin. In 6th month, after 6 month, sinong mas malaki? Yun. In 6 month, 32 peers or 64 peers. You earn 16,000 every month. Yung sa empleyado is 12,000 pa rin. 7 month, malaki na yung sa'yo. Hanggang 12 month, after a year, sinong mas malaki? Sino ang malaking kumita every month? Tingnan natin. Yun. Yung mobilepreneur. Sa isang taon, nagkaroon siya ng 2,047,500. 2,047,500 pesos. Yun. Dito sa empleyado, yun, ganun pa rin. In Planet Mobile Executive Promotion, the purpose of this is to recognize our distributors by providing a rank. Status will somehow motivate them to perform better because they can feel a sense of achievements. From bronze executive, accumulation yan ya. If lahat ng mga income mo karoon ng 25, you have bronze executive, and then silver executive, gold executive, ruby executive, diamond, twin diamond, and triple diamond. Note, accumulate income will be based on binary and unilevel income. Meron din tayong lifestyle incentive program. We have travel incentive, local and international. Boracay. Actually, tapos na to. But every year meron. Meron ding 4 days Asia tour sa ibang bansa. Just like Hong Kong, Macau, China. Ito mechanics. Kaya lang tapos na to eh. But anyway, every year. Ito, yung pinakaabangan ko. Lifestyle incentive program. Yung car incentive program. Ang Planet Mobile, si Sir Noel ay nang bibigay ng sasakyan. 3 yan every year. Soon to announce. Okay. Ito po si Jeff Ramos. He is 23 years old, a former call center agent who got his first brand new car from Planet Mobile. He is a first millionaire in Planet Mobile. Dating call center agent, nag-resign siya at nag-full-time dito sa Planet Mobile. So, ngayon meron na siyang sariling sasakyan. He is in the first member of Millionaires Club in Planet Mobile. So ngayon, we have, if you are employed, may trabaho ka, you can enjoy payday 15-30, no? Di ba? Every 15 and 30, di ba? Meron kang sahod. Company benefits, can enjoy year-end bonus. Once you reach 65 years old, pwede kang mag-retire, pwede ka rin mag-resign, or retrench, or RIP, rest in peace. So, wala na yung sahod, no? Kung mag-retire ka na, mag-resign, wala ka ng payday, wala ka ng benefits sa mga company ngayon. It's if you reach 65 years old. So, ang tanong, transferable ba? For example, if you're a manager, pwede ba, kapag mag-resign ka na, o matanda ka na, nag-retire ka, pwede bang kukunin or pwede ba matransfer yung position mo sa anak mo or sa kapatid mo o sa asawa mo? Actually, no. No. But here in Planet Mobile, you have a chance to achieve your dreams. Unlimited income. You're the boss. Small capital. Magkano ba yung capital natin? For only 3,735 lang. Global opportunity. No territorial boundaries. No risk. Ngayon, transferable ba? Dito sa Planet Mobile, good news. Kung anong mangyari sa'yo, pwedeng matransfer ito sa anak mo, sa asawa mo. Kung wala kang asawa, wala kang anak, sa kapatid mo, or sa parents mo. Yun. Kung anong income mo every month, yun din ang income. Pasok sa anak mo. Kung sino man ang naging tumanggap ng, or sila yung tagapagmana ng account mo dito sa Planet Mobile. So, pwedeng mamanahin yung business na ito, yung negosyo. So, ngayon, if you are looking for investment na kung saan gusto mong mag-invest para sa mga anak mo, na for the future, meron silang sariling income, sariling negosyo, this is the best. This is your time to show them a love. Kahit wala kang kayamanan ngayon, itong account na ito sa Planet Mobile, pwede mo itong i-transfer sa kanila. Kung ano man mangyari sa'yo, kung mawala ka sa mundong ito, or nag-aksidente ka, naging for example, disabled ka na, pwede nila mapagpatuloy yung negosyo nito. Kasi transferable yung account. Yun ang tinatawag na inheritance income bonus. Residual income. Meron tayong kasabihan dito. Anong age natin sa ibang company? Dito is small capital with business opportunity. Sellable yung produkto at saka marketable. No need for product demo. No free tasting. No product sampling. And no certification needed like FDA or halal. Faster turnover. Ang bilis. Actually, ang bilis ng mga produkto. No hard selling needed. Hindi mo na kailangan na habol ng mga tao para bibili sa'yo. Yung tao yung pupunta sa'yo bahay para bibili ng mga produkto. Price is the same as with telco and supermarket stores. Easy to do business. Timing is very important. Why? The time is now. You are in the right place, the right time. Ito yung formulation natin. Foundation. Ngayon, momentum. Critical mass, massive growth. Saan ka pa? Kailan ka magpa-member dito sa Planet Mobile? Ngayon, no? Kapag nasa momentum na, millions na yung kikitain mo, andito pa tayo. You are here in formulation. Yun. The ultimate time to start is now. Take the first mover's advantage. Be a pioneer. Be a mobilepreneur. Your key to boundless business opportunity. Welcome to Planet Mobile Technology or Planet Mobile Business Club. Sabi nga ni Sir Noel, whatever decision you've made today, that will surely reflect your future, either failure or success. Don't be afraid to try. Kaya mag-try na dito sa Planet Mobile. Magpa-register na kayo. Walang mawawala sa'yo. More millionaires in 2014. Baka ikaw nang susunod. Thank you po sa pagsubaybay sa presentation na to. Welcome po kayo dito. Kung marami pa po kayong tanong, tumawag lang po sa number na i-show ko dito. Or mag-text kayo sa 0921 6055488. Thank you po.